Albert, and I'm from the Practical Robotics Institute Austria, and we are part of the Educational Robotics for Science, Technology, Engineering and Math project, so ER4STEM, as can be seen here too. And we're a European project based in 6 countries in Europe, and 2 years of the project have already gone, and we're in the final year of the project now. And we use robotics to increase the interest of children and young people for STEM education, for STEM in general. And robotics has become a quite useful tool as it's interdisciplinary. So you have things to touch. In fact, you have electronics inside. You can program a robot. So it's a very interdisciplinary area, and that's why it really creates big interest of kids. And the project itself has a wide impact. So in total, we are having workshops with 4,000 kids in Europe in these 3 years. And these 4,000 kids are also, let's say, a bit of a trial, because we are evaluating everything, and we try to find out the best approaches for using robotics in STEM education. A further thing is we also organize student conferences with robotics competitions. The students also write papers to these conferences, so they can feel like real researchers. And so we offer multiple entry points for different ages for the young people. And very important is also that we create an educational robotics repository within this project, with the idea that all the activities that are created within this project, but also other activities that are created, for instance, by teachers in other different countries regarding educational robotics, can be shared on this educational platform. Finally, we also try to enhance technologies that are used in robotics. And one of these technologies is, for instance, the hedgehog controller, which was developed by Priya. And one of the big advantages of this controller is that you can program it in a graphical programming language or also in a textual programming language. Now, for kids, the graphical programming language is much easier to understand than a textual programming language. But the great thing is that even when you program this controller graphically, you can display also the textual programming language, which makes it then easier to understand how programming languages as such work. And so the Educational Robotics for STEM education project has a load of different activities, multiple entry points for kids, and by that we hope to increase the interest in STEM so that in the future we have more people following STEM careers.